All right, welcome guys. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to remove your site from being flagged by Google. Um, have you noticed something like this? Deceptive site ahead. So now, how do you rectify issues? What should be your action? So just sit back, relax as we go through. Just go to Google and search for Search Console by Google. Then this is it. You um, make sure you are signed in. Then once it opens like this, so the next step is for you to log into your search console dashboard. Then just hit on the start now. What you're going to do, you come to this search property, is click on add property. Then you come to this, it's either use domain fix or you come to this URL fix. So just type the name of the URL. Then you click on continue. So it will try to verify the property, but if it see that the property is not verified, so it will ask you. So what you just need to do is download this HTML file. So once you download the HTML file, go to your C panel of that very property. Go to the C panel of that very property. Click on your file manager. Once the file manager is up, so all you just need to do is click on your public HTML, then upload that file. Then upload that file. Just upload this Google file you just downloaded. Just upload it. Then once you are done uploading it, so just give it like 1 to 3 minutes. So I'm just going to pause this video and I'll come back in 2 3 minutes time. Then I will just come and verify. So it's more than 2 minutes. So I'm just going to click on the verify. Now Google has verified my site. So I'll just click on go to property. So once you click on go to property, you will see the warning. You will see the warning on the domain. Now, can you see it? Security issues, one issue detected. Now, all you need to do is to just click on the full report so that you can see the issue of the site or what Google has blacklisted. So, if you click on full report, you will see the issue. Now, you will see the pages here. You see, this is the sample URL. So now, how do you rectify this issue? This is where the magic comes in. How do you rectify this issue? How do you make Google remove deceptive warning from this very particular domain? So what you are going to do here, you are going to click on request review. Now, and you are going to tick all issues we have fixed. Now, in this place, you are going to type something like, okay, this domain is just for educational purposes and there is no way that this domain or is involved in any kind of fraudulent out or stuff like that. So I'm just going to write. Now, don't write exactly what I've written. I know some of you will just copy and paste what I've written. No, Google will dictate that, okay, this is this is that. So just reframe your statement. And after you've done that, just click on submit request. And once you click on that submit request, you see request submitted successfully. Just give it, sometimes it might take 24 hours, sometimes it might take 72 hours or 48 hours, but definitely Google is going to uplift that deceptive site. So this is how you rectify the issue of deceptive site warning on your domain. Now, most especially, the reason why you are having this issue is because of the domain name, or there are some blacklisted words in the content of the site. So once Google crawlers search all those kind of blacklisted words, they will immediately report that very domain. Or in a situation, those of you that love buying free scripts, you love buying, you go to Google and you love downloading scripts that are null. You don't know that there are viruses in that script. If you tend to use such kind of script, it will definitely end your site being deceptive. So just avoid free scripts, avoid null script. If you know a script has been affected with virus, don't just touch it because you are going to put your site into danger. So this is how you fix it. Guys, if you find any value in this video, please, I want you to smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I release videos like this, you will be the first person to receive and to watch it. Thank you very much.